If you've ever searched for work from home job website, you've probably seen the same website appear in almost every video. Some are outdated, some have limited opportunities, and some are not even beginner friendly. So today I put together 5 legitimate websites that are well known, trusted, and offer real-time opportunities. For every website, I'm going to be explaining what each one of them does, who it's best for, how much you can realistically expect from each one of them, and one important thing you need to know before signing up. So make sure to watch this video to the very end because the last website recommendation is one of the best in the entire globe. Without wasting much more time, let's get started. So the very first website in today's list is Clickworker. So Clickworker is actually a freelancing platform. When I say freelancing platform, I mean a platform where you actually complete services and then get paid for those services. But then this particular website, Clickworker, connects businesses with you and then you get paid for completing short online tasks from home. So it's ideal for beginners who actually want to start making money online from home, students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking for flexible online work without needing years of experience. So for you to actually get started on this website, all you have to do is very simple. You head to the site clickworker.com, create a free account, you complete your profile, and then you take any available qualification assessment. The more assessments you pass, the more tasks you may unlock. It's actually a platform where you do certain things like AI training, you train AI, all right, and then you also do things like data categorization, you do internet research, you do proofreading, writing, surveys, and a whole lot of things on this platform that you actually can complete and get paid. Payments are actually made after you've completed those tasks and it has been reviewed and approved. So available payment methods and timing can vary depending on your country and the task available. You need to think of Clickworker as a way to earn extra income rather than a guaranteed full-time salary. The amount of work available depends on your location, qualification, and current demand. Okay, so you need to also ensure that you complete every qualification test you see because those tests can unlock higher paying tasks. Now, the downside of this particular platform is the fact that work availability is not consistent. Some weeks you see many tasks, and then other weeks you're seeing something very few. But then it's excellent for beginners who want flexible online work from home. If you'd rather work directly with businesses instead of completing short tasks, then the next platform, which is actually the second platform in today's list, is most preferred for you to sign up. And the next platform is Upwork. So Upwork is one of the world's largest freelancing platforms where businesses hire freelancers for both short-term and long-term projects. Okay, it's suitable for anyone with a marketable skill, whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, video editor, virtual assistant, social media manager, or in fact customer support specialist. All right, so this is a platform where you would see a whole lot of businesses looking for people already. They are announcing that they actually need specific people or they need certain people with certain skills. You don't have to be the one to showcase that you actually do this service. Instead, you see businesses, they're already looking for people like you to help them do what you say you can do. All right, so for you to actually get started, you head to the site, upwork.com, you create your profile, you highlight your skills, you add examples or portfolio of your work, if you have them, and then you need to start submitting proposals to jobs that match your expertise. Like I made mention of the fact that you're going to see a whole lot of people, looking for people that can help them do the task, people with certain skills. So all you have to do is to propose to a job you see that yes, you can actually carry out that job, and then if you're approved, good news, then you can actually help the person to complete that task, and if it's actually okay, you get paid from there. So what work exactly can you even do on these platforms? You're going to see a whole lot of works, ranging from writing to video editing, graphic design, programming, and a whole lot of them. Now, how do you get paid on this platform? Payments are actually made through the fact that yes, you've done the hourly work, depending on the contract type, if it's a short term or long term. So far you've completed the work, it has been reviewed and then it has been approved, then fine, you actually get paid. But then how much can you realistically expect? There's a whole lot of competition here on this website, but then a well-written profile, a few positive reviews can make it easier to win future projects. But then the downside of this particular website is the fact that first clients can actually take a whole lot of time. And do not forget that there's a whole lot of competition here in this website. But then this is actually one of the best freelance websites available worldwide. Now, if you're finding this video very helpful and useful, make sure to hit the like button because it tells YouTube to recommend this video to more people out there. Now, let's head to the third website. So the third website in today's list is another amazing freelancing marketplace called Fiverr. So Fiverr is actually a marketplace where you create services called gigs, and then clients browse the platforms to purchase them. So instead of the situation in Upwork where you have businesses announcing, in this particular platform you're the one showcasing what you can do, and then people come to this website to look for people that can actually complete certain services. And if it's what you actually said you can do, and someone is actually interested in your profile, interested in telling you help them do that particular work, then they actually reach out to you, and from there you guys communicate, and you can actually proceed by helping them complete their service, and you get paid for this. But then for you to get started, all you have to do is to head to the website fiverr.com, you create an account, you build a profile, and then you create your first gig. You set your pricing as well. How much do you want to charge for this? You can even package them into 3 packages depending on what you want. Then you publish it, and yes, if people actually comes through your platform and they're okay with your profile, they're okay with the work, the samples you say you can do, then they approach you and reach out to you, and from there you help them complete that service. So how do you even get paid? So after you complete an order, you've done all the work, your earnings become available for withdrawal through payment methods supported in your region. Okay, it depends. It might be PayPal, it might be Payoneer. It depends on what is available in your region. But then realistically, you need to understand that getting your first order might actually take time, but then consistency in delivering quality work can help you build reviews and attract higher clients. Okay, so you also need to understand that for you to be really successful in the long run, you want to pick one service and become well known on this particular service before you expand into other categories. And then the downside of this particular platform is the fact that it can actually take time to gain visibility, especially if you're new in this platform. It's also a very competitive platform. There are a whole lot of people there. Okay, so now moving to the fourth website in today's list is FlexJobs. So FlexJobs is actually a premium job board that specializes in remote, hybrid, and flexible jobs. It's best for people looking for remote employment with established companies. Okay, so on this website, for you to get started, you have to go to the website flexjobs.com. You create an account, you choose a subscription plan, and then you start searching for jobs that match your skills. There are a whole lot of work you can do here as well, ranging from customer service to marketing, accounting, writing, project management, human resources, software development, and so many out there. Okay, so how do you even get paid? You're not getting paid by FlexJobs. Instead, you're being hired and paid directly by the employer you work for. Okay, like I made mention of the fact that there are a whole lot of companies on this FlexJobs. So if they hire you, they're okay with you, they're basically employing you to work for them remotely, depending on the description of the work you're doing. So it's these companies that hire you that are going to pay you. All right, so how much can you realistically expect? The quality of listings here are generally high because the jobs are reviewed before being posted. But then, for you to actually be successful in the long run, you want to ensure you're using advanced filters to find jobs that match your preferred schedule and experience level. And then you need to understand that this is a platform that has a paid subscription, but then it's great for finding professionally vetted remote jobs. And then moving to the final website in today's list is We Work Remotely. Yeah, We Work Remotely is one of the largest remote job boards dedicated entirely to remote work. So who exactly is this platform best for? It's best for professionals looking for remote employment with companies around the globe. And how do you get started? All you have to do is to head to the site, you browse for available jobs, you select a position that matches your skills, and you apply directly through the employer's application process. The type of work you can do here, we have customer support, sales, marketing, design, programming, writing, product management, and several others out there. Because these are employer listings, payment terms depend on the companies that hire you. And how much can you realistically expect? You'll find a wide variety of remote opportunities here, but eligibility, hiring requirements, and compensation vary depending on the employer. Alright, and then the downside in this particular platform is the fact that some roles are highly competitive because applicants come from around the globe. But then you need to understand that it's one of the best websites for finding remote jobs globally. And there you have it, guys. These are basically the 5 legitimate work from home websites that are worth checking out if you're looking for remote opportunities. Now, I would like to hear from you guys. Which of these websites are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, because every week I share legitimate work from home websites, freelancing platforms, AI tools, and online opportunities to help you build your skills and find remote work. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video.